Sunrise Ford, where integrity has meaning.
This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls, and memory settings are one of many features.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle.
Call today to schedule a test drive.
Sunrise Ford, serving the Inland Empire and Southern California.